You know, going back to consigliere, one of the things in The Godfather is, lawyers can steal money and all the paperwork that's involved, right? So just because somebody's an accountant or whatever doesn't mean the working capital is going to perfectly flow through the contract. Most people are not reading the contract all that closely. You're often dealing with very high-end attorneys that have massive egos. They think they know everything. They've come from these Ivy League schools. Dealing with private equity guys who have massive egos. They come from these Ivy League schools, but they do have a lot of money to get through a transaction. So there's a lot more than just documents and kind of form checking it when you go back to that original perspective. I mean, there's sometimes you got to tell your client, like, hey, this is a semi-business legal issue. You need to push back here, here, and here if you want to end up here. Or if you want to monetize this additional $5 or $6 million as an example, that's contingent on the back end, well, you got to take some strategic steps. You don't just have someone put in their first draft of a contract, I'm going to do it, and you're also going to be subordinate to a mountain of debt that they have, or all the kinds of things that go on. So, you really have to be, got to be pretty scrappy.
Yeah.
You got to be willing to push clients sometimes to boundaries they don't want to go to, recognizing it's always the client's call.